Good morning, students. We'll start with our topic गवर्नर. गवर्नर क्या करता है, उसके functions क्या है, we'll see over here now. Each state of India has a governor. He or she is appointed by the president for 5 years after consulting the prime minister. That is, the governor is appointed by the president for the 5 years after consulting. The president is consulting the prime minister for appointing the governor. He is consulting the PM and then the governor is appointed. The governor is the constitutional head of the state and the entire administration is carried out in his or her name. The governor ensures that the state government functions according to the constitution. He ensures that the state government is functioning according to the constitution, and the function of the governors over here are mentioned. Invites the leader of the majority party to form the government, administers the oath of the loyalty to the constitution and of secrecy, calls the legislative assembly in the session, and also announces its adjournment. Every bill passed by the state legislature has to receive the governor's assessment. उनका असेंट जो है वो ज़रूरी रहता है. जो भी बिल पास होता है लेजिस्लेटिव से, स्टेट लेजिस्लेचर से, उनको गवर्नर का असेंट परमिशन लेना ज़रूरी होता है. हावेवर जो बिल है, मनी बिल, रिक्वायर्स हिज प्रायर इम्पोर्टेंस अप्रूवल, उसके बिना वो पास नहीं होगा मनी बिल. A bill undergoes 3 readings in the Legislative Assembly before it is passed. Following this, it is sent to the governor before it becomes a law. If a bill is not signed by the governor and it is sent back to Vidhan Sabha with his suggestion, then the MLA have to debate on his suggestions. The revised bill is sent back to the governor for his signature. In any emergency, the governor can issue orders called ordinance, appoints the judges of all the courts that work under the High Court, informs to the president about the functioning of the state government. Now we'll see the chief minister, what is his function, what he is doing. Chief minister is the head of the council of ministers, a very important position in the state government. He is handling very important position in the state government. He is called CM. आई होप कि आपको अभी हमारे करंट सीएम का नेम पता होगा. द फंक्शंस ऑफ द सीएम, हमारे जो सीएम है उनके फंक्शंस क्या है वो देखेंगे. अलॉटिंग वेरियस पोर्टफोलियोज टू डिफरेंट मिनिस्टर्स फॉर द इफेक्टिव एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ द स्टेट. कॉलिंग फॉर मीटिंग ऑफ काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर्स at regular intervals, supervising the work of every minister and guiding them, informing governor about the decision taken by the council of ministers, forming a new council of ministers if necessary. These are the functions performed by the CM. The Council of Ministers frame policies allotted for allotted subjects or the department related to state government and executes it. It also introduces the bill in the Legislative Assembly. The Finance Minister of the state introduces the budget in the Legislative Assembly. We see here is a column thing. What is the term of the office of the cabinet? How are the ministers responsible for their ministries and why? What will happen if a no confidence motion is passed against a minister or the entire council? Collect information about the present council of ministers and their ministry. The work to be done is divided between state and central government. The state government functions at the state level and the union government function at the national level. You have learned about this, right, earlier. Things to know here is the column. There are 29 states in India, but now there has been some changes. 28 states in India and 9 union territories. But in 9 union territories, there is also a question is going on. There are 8 union territories or 7 union territories. Changes are going on. Still, it has not came officially. While each state has its own state government, and there is one union government at the center with Delhi as the capital of India. The difference between state and central government is the area in which they function. Therefore, the responsibility of a state government is limited to the particular state. जो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, देखिए हमने पहले ही ये जाना है कि वाई द गवर्नमेंट इज़ फॉर्म्ड. हर एक स्टेट में जो गवर्नमेंट है वो अलग अलग स्टेट में गवर्नमेंट होना ज़रूर क्यों है? बिकॉज अगर एक ही जगह से एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन एंड सारा वर्क किया जाएगा तो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट होगा. सो दैट्स वाई वी हैव सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट एट दिल्ली जो कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया के हैं वहाँ से, एंड अलग अलग स्टेट में उनकी खुद की स्टेट गवर्नमेंट दी हुई है. सो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट एंड सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट बोथ आर वर्किंग फॉर द पीपल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द वर्क ऑफ द गुजरात स्टेट गवर्नमेंट इज़ लिमिटेड टू इट्स बाउंड्री. वो वहीं तक वर्क करेगा गुजरात स्टेट में, गुजरात की ही जो भी पॉलिसीज़ है गवर्नमेंट की या जो भी वर्क है वहीं तक चलेगा. वेयर एज द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो दिल्ली में है, नेशनल गवर्नमेंट यू कैन कॉल, जो नेशन के लिए वर्क करता है, टेक केयर ऑफ द एंटायर नेशन. The function and the power of the state and central government are divided into 3 lists: union list, state list, concurrent list. The subject included in these lists are mentioned in the constitution. Now the union list जो है, the subject handed over to the union government are included in the union list. There is a list of 97 subject. उसमें कौन सी चीज़ें देखे जाते हैं? सेंसियस, रिलेशन विथ फॉरेन कंट्रीज, डिफेंस, फाइनेंस एंड बैंकिंग, इलेक्शन, फॉर्मेशन ऑफ लॉ फॉर सिटीजन, रेलवे, टेलीग्राफ, पोस्ट, इंश्योरेंस सर्विस, सी, एयर, रोड, रेलवे रूट, nuclear power, etc. are included in this union list. State list: the subject related to state are enlisted in the state list. There are 66 of them. The state government makes the law with the help of the legislative assembly and the executive of the cabinet. The state include health, agriculture, forest, local self-government. Now the concurrent list. The union and the state government both can form the law for it. And there are 47 subjects: prevention of the crime, revenue or tax, divorce, literacy, industry, employment, electricity, etc. are included in this list. We'll continue in the next class, students. Thank you.